use the cruise control switch, which I don't have cruise control. I use the set button as play pause for my phone when it is connected with the auxiliary cable I added. Resume accelerate changes the display, and then on and off will control flat shift and launch control if and when I decide to use it. It's also connected to the clutch pedal, so off it will never function, on it will function when the clutch pedal is down. This also dims when I turn the parking lights on. The dimness is not adjustable with the dial, but it dims to a nighttime brightness that I set up.